Number 2. The Reynolds kitchens. Slow cooker liners have become an essential tool for anyone who enjoys using a slow cooker. These liners offer a convenient solution to the hassle of cleaning up after cooking, allowing users to simply lift out the liner and dispose of it, leaving the slow cooker clean with no scrubbing required. The product's dimensions of 8.2 into 3.2 into 3.1 inches and lightweight 5.61 ounces make it easy to handle and store. Its availability since October 1, 2017, with no discontinuation, reinforces its consistent performance and demand among consumers. The Reynolds Kitchen slow cooker liners boast impressive customer satisfaction, garnering a notable 4.8 out of 5 stars from a substantial 18,739 ratings. This positive feedback indicates that the product has met and exceeded the expectations of a wide range of users. Importantly, the product's origin from the USA ensures high-quality standards and complies with manufacturing regulations.